Good morning, good morning. Beautiful day in Los Angeles. SUBIEFEST, August the 2nd. Very unusual spot for a camp night. It's like the coolest camp spot pretty much. Just very close to downtown LA. We are in DTLA auto storage. The GM Troy is here. His Subie is here. CJ from Forester Culture is here. He's still in the bed, but this is a cool place, and I'm gonna show you just a little bit how it looks. There's a lot of cool cars there which are being stored, and this is the ultimate automotive person's den, club, name it as you want it. This is so cool. So we have a classic Porsche just in here when we walk in. We have some shoes, we have some Porsches. This is so wicked. And we have an M3 E30 M3 original, just standing like that. So whenever you come here, you can just walk there, you know, you can buy some merch, you can enjoy the cars, and then you can get a cool coffee, delicious coffee. And then even more, behind these doors there's even more cars, but I will ask Troy to give us a little tour around this place because it's awesome. I love it, and I mean, I could make it my home. This could be my home, really. I could just park my Forester here and sleep in the rooftop tent all year long, or just make a bed, for example in that shipping container, and just sleep in here. This is awesome place. And let's see if Troy has a little bit time to show us around.
So we are at what we call 8th and Santa Fe. So that's the mothership, but we have a bunch of little business underneath of it. So it's 8th and Santa Fe, and then we have my shop, which is DTLA Auto Storage. We abbreviate it for DOS, because it can be kind of a little tongue twister. So we store vehicles here, we throw out car events, and then this building here we have coffee shop, we have a shoe store in here, we rotate out cars for display, always change up the flowers. We have more event space over here in this building, flower shop, little bar area, the whole 9 yards. So it's we're building this corner as it's more of a community. It's for everybody. So that's what we're doing here in Los Angeles.
What's that on the table?
That right there is some giveaways. So we got some raffles and some giveaways. So all the bags, we have special thanks to Subaru. We have these Subaru bags. You get these awesome Subaru Motorsports water bottles, and you get some Subaru Motorsports sunglasses.
Nice.
Which is going to be perfect today. But we are also doing raffles, so you can get this awesome Subaru elastic skate deck here. We got a Subaru Festival blanket here. That's super. I actually want this for myself. And then you can get you can win the Subaru Motorsports cooler. Oh, and we have a Bluetooth speaker that's also like a little lantern that you can also win.
I want the Lasek board. For my office, you know, that would be the best.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a fun day.
It's gonna be a fun day? It's gonna be a fun day today? All right. In about 30 minutes we'll drive out of Peterson Museum with Travis Pastrana. So my car is too tall and scraped the tent and ripped the whole fabric. Yep, shit happens. A lot of action going on, so had a chance to ask Travis Pastrana to take a seat in the Forester, have a picture with him. That was awesome. And now we drive to SUBIEFEST. All the brand's ambassadors, all the people driving to the SUBIEFEST. Oh yeah, yeah. And I had a chance to meet Robert Champion as well, which is also cool. We're gonna do a little interview with him later on. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So just arrived to SUBIEFEST. It's really huge, and probably I won't have that much time to show you every single booth, every single rig, although I'll try to fly a drone between the cars. And yeah, let's see how it goes. It's gonna be a cool show. And now I'm gonna go to Bucky Lasek's place. I mean, I really like to meet the legends. Gonna go to Bucky Lasek's place and show you his cars. Look at the line of people coming. A lot of people coming in. That's gonna be a big show. I didn't know, I didn't expect it to be so big. I thought it's gonna be like a kind of like a meetup. This is huge. A lot of cool people. A lot of crazy builds, really crazy builds. Good morning. Day number 2. SUBIEFEST is over. It was a blast. I had a lot of fun there. A lot of people came by to have a little chat. Turns out that a lot of people watch these movies and follow our journeys, which is super motivating and super cool. I feel really excited and honored that so many people came by and they said they watch the movies, they follow the Instagram, and they're just having fun when they see our journeys. So today I'm at the Strawberry Peak. That's the watchtower here, and I have a beautiful view all over San Bernardino mountains and everything there. I was actually at the Rim of the World highway spot, which I love the most, but I decided that today I want to see something new. So now I'll be heading for a little breakfast. I stayed at Robert's at our friend's house tonight, although some people asked me if I would go with them for a camp after the SUBIEFEST up to the mountains, but you know, I had 18 hours of flights and drives. Then I came in, went to DTLA, which was awesome, although like another 8 hours of no sleep, so 26 hours no sleep. Then we slept, camped in LA, pretty much downtown LA, in DTLA auto storage. It was very loud night, although I was tired, so I slept really well, but woke up very early. Like today, I woke up today at 5 o'clock in the morning and decided to go somewhere, and now I'm gonna go catch up with some people who offered the camp yesterday. So we're gonna go for a group ride. Don't know if I'm gonna record all of the action. I'm really not sure. I hope I can manage it. But today I am just having fun and enjoying, because tomorrow morning I'm leaving to Mexico to renew the 1-year permit for that car, so it can stay 1 more year in America. Time to go. It's about 8 o'clock right now, or 7 o'clock, 7:30, something like that. Let's check it out. 7:30. So I'm gonna get some breakfast and I'm gonna go to Cleghorn, where I'm gonna meet with the team. Good! we have a situation here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like just like the last millimeters. Yeah.
Just enough to get it off.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay, now they can pull the rope. So we saved the guy today with chaos again. Another day at Clickhorn. Third recovery here.
Yeah?
I always say, stay with the tour. Some of these offshoots, they look cool, but when you get in them, it's about being able to complete it. I think I can take the car down there, but it's like, what's the point? You know, there's no prize at the end. We're not getting paid to do it. We're not gonna get more followers for tearing up our car. We may be. Everybody was waiting for us to flip our car on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
That's how we get the crazy videos. When you're like, oh, I just love my car. No one hits like, you know?
They all want all the drama.
I want to see Subie jumping in the air and your ass all over the place with it, getting stuck, and, you know, sticking.
Yeah.
We got Kev, he's up in the air. We're working on that guy too.